Hello, welcome to your Finnish lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to tell about yourself in Finnish. First, let's start with I. I is minä in Finnish. And I am is minä olen. Minä olen. You can use I am in Finnish in similar way that you use it in English, so you can explain anything that you are at the current moment, or you can just use it also with your name, like I am Ida, Minä olen Ida, Minä olen Ida. But you can also use it like I'm happy, Minä olen iloinen, Minä olen iloinen. Pretty simple. Then if you specifically want to say my name is, you say minun nimeni on. Minun nimeni on Ida. Minun nimeni on. And then you add your own name, right? I don't know. I don't think it's that difficult, but it can be a bit tricky. Next, if you want to say where you live, like I live in Finland. I live in Finland. Minä asun Suomessa. Minä asun Suomessa. Minä asun, and then you just add where you live. It can be a city, it can be a country, it can be a type of house you live in, like a one-family house, which would be omakotitalo. Then you would say minä asun omakotitalossa. And if you want to say where you're from, you say minä olen kotoisin. Minä olen kotoisin. I'm from Finland would be minä olen kotoisin Suomesta. Minä olen kotoisin Suomesta. That's pretty simple. I'm gonna make another video for countries so that you can learn what different countries are in Finnish. But for now, well, maybe I should teach you a few. So, I already taught you what Finland is, but I could also teach you what US is. So, if you want to say I am from United States, you say minä olen kotoisin Yhdysvalloista. Minä olen kotoisin Yhdysvalloista. Or I'm from Germany. Minä olen kotoisin Saksasta. Minä olen kotoisin Saksasta. Or maybe you're from France, then you would say minä olen kotoisin Ranskasta. Minä olen kotoisin Ranskasta. Minä olen kotoisin Ranskasta. And if you want to say I live in, then it's minä asun Yhdysvalloissa. Minä asun Saksassa. Or minä asun Ranskassa. So you can see the difference between when you say that you live somewhere and you are from somewhere is at the end of the country that you're talking of. So here we say for example Saksasta. So Saksa is Germany. Saksasta means from Germany, and Saksassa means in Germany. But we're gonna make a specific video talking about this as well at a later point. The grammar in Finnish is a situation. Yeah, there's a lot to learn. But if you like learning grammar, then Finnish is a good language to learn for you. Okay, so if you want to tell how old you are, you can say Minä olen vuotias. Okay, so if you didn't check our previous video, I made a video about numbers in Finnish, so check that out if you want to learn all of the numbers. But I'm just gonna use 20 as an example. So, minä olen 20-vuotias. I'm 20 years old. You can also say minä olen 20 vuotta vanha. Minä olen 20 vuotta vanha. This means the same thing. It's just vuotta vanha ending is literally years old, and vuotias refers to the same thing. I don't know if there is an equivalent in English for that, but it just means how old you are. So there's that. Last thing that I'm gonna teach you is how to say that you have something. So I have a child, I have a dog, I have a cat. You will say minulla on. Minulla on koira. I have a dog. Minulla on koira. You can use all of different words. I'm gonna give you some easy examples. If you have child or several children, it's minulla on lapsi or minulla on lapsia. Let's just put a list here on this side, yes. And so you can say lapsi if there is several. Lapsia, you can say tytär, which is daughter. If there is several, you say tyttäriä. Or if you want to say you have a son, you can say I have minulla on poika. If you have several, you can say poikia. And if you have a dog, you can say minulla on koira. If you have several, you say koiria. And if you have a cat, you can say minulla on kissa. And if you have several, you can say kissoja. But if you want to specify the amount that you have, then you need to use a different form of these words again. So those forms that I just showed were just were plural forms that you can't use when you specify the amount that you have. So if you want to say minulla on I have 2 kids, then you say minulla on 2 lasta. So I'm gonna give you examples again of the same words. So 2 lasta is 2 kids. 2 tytärtä is 2 daughters. 2 poikaa is 2 sons. 2 koiraa is 2 dogs. And 2 kissaa is 2 cats. And if you want to learn the numbers, again, check out my video about the numbers. And then you can decide whatever number you want to put there. And I think that's all for the things that you can tell about yourself. If you want to know more things that you want to tell about yourself, please feel free to comment down below and ask me. I will answer all comments, assuming my channel doesn't suddenly blow up and I will have no time to do it, but most likely I'm going to be able to answer, like 99.9% chances. Okay, so just feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Jos pidit tästä videosta, muistathan tykätä ja tilata. Kiitos, hei hei, hei hei.